Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Adam Haris bin Azman. My matrix number 01 DKP 2TF 1021. Today, our team will present about illustrate the dark kill, sketch and describe the dead edge, showing attachment of shear straight and single plate. I will present about illustrate the dark kill. Okay, for definition and structure. Basically, a dark kill is a box-shaped longitudinal tunnel located at the ship's centerline, extending along the bottom structure. It is primarily used for pipeline and cables, and also contributes to the vessel longitudinal strength. Okay, for the function, first passage for pipeline and cable, ballast line, fuel oil, freshwater, and electric cables. It is provide a safe and protected route away from cargo hold or ballast tank. Second, provide access for inspection and maintenance. Crew can access pipeline for maintenance, repairs, and leak detection. And it is essential for survey and safety check. And lastly, act as a longitudinal girder, enhancing hull girder stiffness. It is act as a center longitudinal girder, contributing to the overall hull girder and helps the vessel resist hogging and sagging stress. And why it is important in ship design. It is commonly found in oil tanker for segregating clean ballast and oil pipeline, for bulk carrier, for ballast and bilge system, for large container ship, for electrical cable routing and piping. As you can see, this is our okay. As you can see, this is our picture that showing the dark kill. And then for our reference, we take this. Okay, our information we get from the book, the name as Iris DJ and Boost GJ 2012. Ship Construction 7th edition. We get from the page 178 to 179. Okay, I will pass our presentation to my friend.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Afi Iskandar bin Ahmad Nazar. My matrix number is 01DKP 23F1036. Now it's my turn to lead this presentation. My topic is sketch and describe the deck edge. The definition is the deck edge is the outermost junction where the deck plating meets the side shell plating. It normally includes the shear strake, the thicker topmost strake of side shell, and may also have a radius plate to reduce sharp stress concentrations. It is an important transition zone in ship structure where deck loads and side shell stresses are connected. The functions is provide strength to the hull girder by resisting global bending stresses, especially in hogging and sagging conditions at sea. Next is transverse loads between deck and side shell plating, ensuring continuity of structural strength in longitudinal and transverse directions. Facilitates drainage of water from deck through scuppers and freeing ports, preventing accumulation that could affect stability and safety. The additional functions is provides a base for bulwarks or guardrails, which add protection for crew and cargo from sea spray and green seas. Contributes to watertight integrity, preventing leakage at the critical joint between deck and shell plating. Distributes local stresses around hatch, corners, openings, and fittings, avoiding concentration of forces that could cause cracks. Improve fatigue resistance by introducing smooth curve or radius plates instead of sharp angles, extending structural life of the hull. Next is support outfitting structures such as fairleads, chocks, ladders, and safety rails that are commonly attached near deck edge. The last is plays a role in aesthetic shear line of the vessel, as the shear strake define the curvature of the ship's deck profile. That's all from me. I will pass my presentation to my friends. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Muhammad Abdurrahman Helmi. My matrix number is 01DKP23F1013. Today, I will be presenting about showing attachment of shear thread and stringer plate. In ship construction, the connection between side shell plating and deck plating is very important. These parts carry major longitudinal stress and ensure the overall strength of the hull. The two main components I will explain are the shear thread and the stringer plate. First, the shear thread is the uppermost longitudinal thread of the side shell plating. It is usually made 10 to 20% thicker than the adjacent plating because it has to carry higher longitudinal stress. Second, the stringer plate is the outermost deck plate of the stern deck. It connects to the shear thread right at the deck edge, helping the deck and side shell work together as one strong structure. Now, how are they connected? The shear thread in stringer plate are joined using full penetration butt welds. Sometimes a small bevel or radius is added to reduce stress concentration. Beneath the stringer plate, longitudinal stiffeners are fitted. These stiffeners provide additional strength. Meanwhile, frames and beam knees are connected to the shear thread. Classification rules such as IACS, ABS, and Class NK require these areas to be built with higher strength steel, usually grade E or EH, especially within the midship region. Importance: this attachment is critical because it strengthens the hull girder and helps the ship resist bending, stress at sea. If this connection is weak, the ship could suffer from cracks, deformation, or even structural failure in rough conditions. For the conclusion, the shear thread and stringer plate form one of the most important connections in ship construction. The use of thicker plates, full penetration welds, stiffeners, and high-strength steel ensures the safety and durability of the vessel. Thank you.